Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy workaround and steps on how you can send someone referral code on Kraken. So to get started with that, first thing to do is to open the Kraken app or the website and sign in into your account on the Kraken app, or if you are using the website version, which is kraken.com. Then from there, you have to go to the referral section. So in the app, tap your profile icon, then tap in or referrals. On the website, look for the referrals in your account menu. So once that is figured out, copy your referral link or the code. So Kraken show you a unique link or code, then tap on it to copy it or share it. Then after that, send it to your friend, paste the link or code in a message, emails, or social media chat, and send it directly to them to use. And that's how you can easily send someone your referral code on Kraken. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.